Hello and welcome to the Healthy Diet Daily channel. In today's video, we talk about what happens when you drink ginger water every day, and we'll share with you the best way to prepare it. Ginger has been a staple ingredient in various cuisines across the world for centuries, and for good reason. This pungent root has a unique flavor that adds zing to many dishes, but its health benefits are what really make it stand out. If you're looking to incorporate more ginger into your life, one way to do so is by drinking ginger water every day. Here's what you can expect from this simple but powerful habit. Number 6. Improves digestion. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for digestive problems such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The compounds in ginger are thought to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and increase the flow of bile, which helps break down food more efficiently. Drinking ginger water regularly can help keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevent discomfort. Number 5. Reduces inflammation. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds, including gingerols and shaoguls, which have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be particularly beneficial for people with conditions such as osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, as well as for anyone looking to reduce their overall levels of inflammation and protect against related diseases. Number 4. Better cardiovascular health. Some preliminary studies have suggested that ginger may help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, which can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. While more research is needed, drinking ginger water daily is a simple way to potentially improve heart health. Number 3. Relief from menstrual pain. For women who suffer from menstrual pain, ginger can be a lifesaver. The anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can help reduce cramps and discomfort during menstruation, making your period a little bit easier to handle. Number 2. Better brain function. Ginger has been shown to improve brain function and protect against age-related declines. This is thought to be due in part to the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, as well as its ability to increase blood flow to the brain. So, by drinking ginger water every day, you could be giving your brain the boost it needs to stay sharp. Number 1. Increased energy and reduced fatigue. Ginger has been shown to have a mild stimulating effect, which can help increase energy levels and reduce feelings of fatigue. So, if you're feeling sluggish, reach for a glass of ginger water instead of that mid-afternoon cup of coffee. How do you prepare ginger water? It's very easy to prepare your own ginger water at home. Boil 8 cups of water with 1-2 inches of thinly sliced and peeled fresh ginger root for 10-15 minutes. Strain the mixture into a pitcher, add optional lemon juice and honey to taste, and let it cool to room temperature before drinking it. You can then store in the refrigerator for up to 5 days and drink it every morning. An alternative way to prepare ginger water without boiling or cooking the ginger is this. Grate the ginger into a large pitcher. Add 8 cups of water to the pitcher. Stir the mixture well to combine the ginger and water. If desired, add a squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of honey to taste. Refrigerate the ginger water for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. Strain the ginger water into a clean pitcher, if desired, and serve over ice. This cold infused ginger water is great if you prefer a more fresh and crisp flavor. In conclusion, drinking ginger water every day is a simple yet powerful way to improve your health. From better digestion and reduced inflammation, to improved cardiovascular health and increased energy, the benefits of ginger are many and far-reaching. So give it a try and see what ginger water can do for you. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy ways to stay fit, lose weight, and improve your energy. Check out this playlist of my top videos about how to eat healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day!